Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am answering the big question. Does a ChatGPT Plus coupon code actually exist in 2026? If you are looking to save some money on that $20 subscription, let's get right into the facts. First, you need to know that OpenAI does not release universal promo codes. If you see a website claiming to have an 80% off or lifetime access code, be extremely careful. These are almost always scams designed to capture your credit card info or install malware. OpenAI's billing is handled directly through Stripe, and they don't have a public field where you can just type in a random discount code you found on a coupon site. Next, there are some legitimate ways to get a discount through official programs. In 2026, OpenAI offers a 25% discount for verified nonprofit organizations and a 20% discount for educational institutions. If you're a student or a teacher in the US or Canada, you should check the official OpenAI Help Center for the student/teacher program, which can occasionally provide up to 2 months of free access or a significant monthly discount after you verify their academic email. Then, you should look for the referral invite system. This is the most reliable way to get ChatGPT Plus for free. If you know someone who already has a Plus, Pro, or Business subscription, they can generate a unique referral link from their settings menu. If you use that link to sign up, you'll typically get a 7 to 14-day free trial. Some special campaigns in 2026 have even extended this to 3 months for certain regions like Australia or Colombia, so it's always worth asking a friend for a link. Finally, keep an eye out for regional partnerships. OpenAI has partnered with various companies like Apple, certain mobile carriers, and even some banking apps to offer ChatGPT Plus as a bundled perk. For example, some users have reported getting 6 months of free Plus access through specific tech rewards programs or by setting ChatGPT as their default assistant on new devices. Always check your Offers tab in your favorite apps to see if a legitimate partner code is waiting for you. And that is it. Stick to the official channels and steer clear of the too good to be true scams. If this guide saved you from a fake coupon today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI and tech tips. See you in the next one.